Hi guys, my name is Eric and you can call me Blend Eric, and you know why? Because I love Blender. In this video tutorial we're gonna be making a simple hotel. I call it Hotel Sand because it's located somewhere in a sand land. You can download the whole finished file from Blend Swap. You can find the link in the description. I know I made a video tutorial about making a house already, but this is something different. This time we are not doing any interior works at all. So as you can see, first of all we're gonna make the basic unit, and then using array modifiers create the whole building, then add some features like those columns and rails, and the rest is just a question of how much detail you want to have in your model. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so here I have opened a blend file which you can download from a blend swap. Here's the whole thing, and as I said before, we will make just a basic unit, which is this one. It's quite simple, you see. Have a look, and so you will understand what I'm doing in the next few minutes. Okay, so let's go back to new blend scene. Our default cube, 1 front view, 5 orthographic view. Tap the edit mode, Z, A to select all and bring it, hold down the control, bring it up so the pivot point is at the bottom. A to deselect, B to select all, the top vertices, and just bring it down, just like that. Go to face selection mode, select the back face and drag it one blender unit. Z to solid view, select the top face and the bottom face. X, delete faces. Now add a few loop cuts, Control R, scroll your mouse wheel to add 2 of them. SZ, scale it up a little bit. Control R, adding 2 loop cuts for entrance. SX, and just move it here. 2 more loop cuts here. Good. 1 more here. Good. And 2 more to the back. Control R. SX to scale it up a little bit. And we will need 1 more loop cut here on top. Just, yeah, like this. Go to face selection mode, select this small window, the door area and the large window. Press E to extrude, escape, SY, scale along the Y-axis, and maybe just move it to make it more even. Okay. Out of edit mode. So this time we are not making the proper models of windows and doors. If you want to do that, however, you don't know how, just go to my channel and watch the video Blender Making a House part 4, and you will know how to do it straight away. I hope so. Okay, so let's apply the materials now. With the thing selected, go to materials, change the color to something like that if you like it. Take specularity down, and now go to edit mode and select just the door area. Press plus, new, make it dark brown, specularity down, and hit assign. Okay, back to edit mode. The small window, plus, new, make it light blue. It's just for reference, you know, but it helps. Light blue, and assign. Maybe take the specularity down as well. Select the large window, plus, new, dark brown, dark blue. Oh man. And hit assign. Okay, So that's what we have so far. We have created new materials, but now we will need to put the textures. Good idea would be to place empty into our scene. Shift A, add empty as a focus for our camera. So empty is already there. Select the camera, hold down Shift, select the empty, Control T, drag the constraint, A to deselect, select the camera and bring it closer and bring it down. So yeah, and we will need as well to move our light source. Grab it here and change it from point to sun. R to rotate, G3 to the side view, and G. Now render. We've got materials, but there's no textures yet. So go to edit mode, select the door area, which is this, or you can just here click on that material and press select. I will select it for you. Go to the front view by pressing 1, select your 3D view, change it to UV image editor, render results X, and press U, project from view, image, open image. I have to go to my desktop now. You can create your own textures or download it, as I said before, my blend file, and you will have it all. A to select all, scale, grab, just try to position it correctly and then it will be fine. S, X, grab X just a bit. Okay, good. If you go to texture mode, you will see the texture there already, but it won't be visible in a render yet because we have added material, but we need to add texture to that material now. So this is done already, and now with that dark brown material selected, it's a good idea to name the materials, but I'm not doing it because I'm lazy, but you can if you want to. So with the dark brown material selected, go to textures, add a new image or movie, select the door picture, coordinates, change it from generated to UV, and render now. Yeah, that's it. If you want to give it a bit more realistic look, like add a bit of depth, just go to normals and change it to 0.1, something like that. If you render now, it looks a bit better. But okay, and we need to follow exactly the same steps by adding UV textures to our windows. So I'm changing view shading to solid, going to tap to edit mode, select the small window. I'm going to front view by pressing 5, U, project from view, image, open image, going to my desktop, small window, open image, GX. Okay, done. Now go to materials, select the light blue, which is small window, texture, add a new texture, image or movie, you know what to do. Window small, generate it to UV. Again, why not? Normals to about 0.1. something like that. F12 to render. Great. 7. Tap out of edit mode. Rotate the whole thing. RZ180, enter, so we can see what we are doing on the back on a big window. Tap the edit mode, go to materials, select the dark blue, go to the front view, press U, project from view, and image, open image, desktop, window large, open, GY. Okay. And now with the material selected, we are in the textures already, image or movie, and window large, generated to UV, normals, normals down, yeah, and F12 to render. That's it. Okay guys, so this is the worst part we have done already. Now go to top view and rotate it back, RZ180, enter, and now the fun is gonna start. So with the base unit selected, go to modifier, add modifier array, change count to 3. Before we will apply a modifier, however, we going to go to edit mode, select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those two faces, press E to extrude, Y, and extrude it like this. We are creating the balcony, or yeah, whatever it is. Now we can apply, go out of edit mode because you won't be able to apply modifier in edit mode. So object mode, apply, tap, A to deselect, A to select all, remove doubles. We've got some overlapping faces here. Now they are gone. So now this is brilliant. Yeah. Few adjustments. Go to edit mode, select 1, 2, press E to extrude X, and extrude about 1.2. Yeah. Opposite side, select just this one face. E to extrude X, about 0.6. E to extrude X, 0.6 again. Now select this face, go to side view by pressing 3 on the number pad, and E to extrude Y, bring it just about here. And now we want to be extruding again, but we want to be precise. So we're gonna use a snapping tool. So snap, click this button here and select the edge. Now with this face still selected, press E to extrude Y. I will snap right here. Select this face, E to extrude X, and I will snap right here. Okay. Now go to side view by pressing 3, A to deselect, Z to wireframe box selection, press B, select the top portion, and go to materials, add a new material, make it grayish, take the specularity, no, intensity to specularity down, and hit assign. A. Okay, so we have a first floor done. Now go to modifiers, add modifier array, relative offset X, change it to 0, and X, Y, Z, change it to 1, and and change count to 3. Ta-da! See, I told you it's gonna be simple. Now we can apply it straight away. Apply a modifier, so it's gonna be one mesh. There shouldn't be any doubles, so, but just check it. What? Yeah, 58. Unbelievable. Alright, so we need to fix the roof now. As you can see, these are openings for stairs, but we won't need the stairs here at the top area portion, so we'll just close it by first maybe deleting the extra faces, because we are trying to keep amount of faces down. So select those 3, delete faces. Now go to edge selection mode, select this one and this one, and press F to fill the whole 1 and 2. F again. Yeah, but the material is wrong. It doesn't really matter because we will delete all these faces as well soon. But anyways, we need to change this. So select this face, go to materials, hit the dark material and press assign. Okay, just to show you how it's done. But now we'll delete them anyways. B for box selection and X, delete faces. Go to vertex selection, select the corner for 4 vertices and press Shift D, F to fill, and P to separate selection. Go to object mode, select the newly created plane, tap to edit mode, press X, delete only faces. Okay, so with this edge loop selected, go to front view, press E to extrude, escape, oh shit, escape and scale. Scale it up a little bit. Now scale along the Y, SY. SY. 1 to the front view, E to extrude, Z. Just like this. And now press F to fill it up. And maybe we'll change the, because it was created from this mesh, which has already 5 materials assigned, it's sharing all of them, but we don't want all of them, we just want that dark one. So we are deleting the rest of the materials. And that's it for now. Oh, maybe not. Maybe let's just finish the bottom area. So go to edit mode and do the same thing. Select the corner vertices, press Shift D, F, P to separate selection, object mode, back to edit mode, X, delete only faces, 1, E to extrude, Z, extrude it down just a bit, it's about the same thickness as this area here, so G, Z. So select the camera, G to grab it here so you can see the whole building. And if you press render now, you see it's very dark because there's just one source of light, which is sun creating the shadows, and we will add the hemi light to fix that. So go to the top view, press Shift A, add lamp hemi, and change the energy to about half, less than half. F12 to render now. Okay.